Hello everyone and then welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Incanto espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the grinder as this grinder was giving intermittent problems with the sensor. The sensor was not detecting when the beans were getting grinded and it was making the machine just waste all that coffee going straight into the container. Every time that happened the machine will give an error saying that the empty beans error it will just not grind, like I say. It will just grind the coffee beans. It will just dump them straight into the box over there, and it will just not brew coffee. So we replace that grinder, and the new grinder that is in there, we're gonna be testing out with a couple of shots of espresso. That way we can give it a good workout. As you can hear, the grinder is definitely grinding. Beans are getting fed into the grinder properly. We did clean everything inside as well. Nice flow. Now do it again. Showed you this is when we open the machine. The grinder will be fine. That one. Check in there. Clean everything inside. Install the newer one and calibrate it. As you can see, machine has not given a single error. We're gonna do another shot. Good. Beans are feeding straight into the grinder. As you can see, all those espresso shots, we had no error. The box inside the machine looking excellent, looking great. So there you have it, Saeco Incanto grinding once again. Thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.